Step 4 of the lesson is word decoding and sentence reading. In this 10-minute step, students code words by marking vowels, consonant teams, and syllables, and they may read a list of sentences. All right, so we have an O and an E, and what do we know about that E?
It makes the O say it.
So we cross it out, and then we draw our arrow back to the O. Now there's something else we need to mark in this word. What is it?
CH.
Yep, because that's a what, Janae? We call it a team, right? Those two letters, C and H, go together and have a brand new sound, a team. All right, so now this is the way to really help your brain learn a word if you're stuck on it. You always think about what the vowel says first. So this is what I want to do. I want to say O consonant E, O, choke. Okay, let's try that together. Ready? O consonant E, O, choke. So good. Let's do the next word. So find your vowels. And we see that final silent E. So what do we do, Junior?
Cross the E.
We cross the E out and we draw our arrow to the other vowel, the O. So what's the E's job, Brian?
SH.
The E's job.
The E's job has to put on the O.
To tell its name, say its name right. And then you know the SH is a team, right? So we have to mark that. Okay? So who thinks they can say the name of the vowel and then its sound before reading it? Okay, go ahead, London.
O consonant E, O, shown.
It's amazing. So the sun shone in the sky, shone. All right, let's do the next one. Do we have any teams?
No.
Junior, no teams. This is a pretty simple word. Can you read it for me, Janae?
O consonant E, O. Let me joke.
So good, joke. So we're going to do our last word, and then I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay, so find our vowels. And I'm going to draw my arrow. What else do I need to do, London?
Our team.
Yep, our team. Yeah, okay, good word. Let's see. Junior, can you read that for me?
O
Consonant.
E, O. Chore.
All right, before we go back and look at what the word yoke means, I want to show you your other paper. These are 2-syllable words because that's the fun of learning this way, is to learn to read really big words, okay? So we're going to code these 2 words and figure out what they are. So what do we do first when we code a word?
Underline a vowel.
So we have a few of them, don't we? So how many vowels do you see in that word, Junior?
3.
3, okay. Now, I see a silent E on this syllable, this word part. So I'm going to draw my arrow. I'm going to split my word. And I have a 2-syllable word, okay? This is also a compound word, okay? So here we go. I'll read it to you first. I'm going to do this a syllable at a time. A syllable is a part of a word, okay? So here we go. Ready? O consonant E, O, tote,
Bag.
What's my big word?
Tote bag.
A tote bag. We have tons of tote bags at my house because I use them to take things everywhere I go. If I go to the beach, I have a tote bag. If I go to school. So what do you think a tote bag is, Janae?
A bag you carry around.
Just a bunch of stuff in it. You tote things around. Very good. Okay, what word are we going to look at the meanings of? What did I say? Which word?
Yoke.
Right. So I found some pictures. You're going to like these. The word yoke can mean a couple different things, and one, it's sort of an old-fashioned word. Before they had farm equipment, they would have the farm animals do the work, and they would put a yoke around them so they could attach. But you know what? If you like to work on cars, there's part of a car that's called a yoke. It's just part of the machinery of the car. So that's what a yoke could mean. And if you're a fighter pilot or an airplane pilot, the steering wheel, that's called a yoke. Did you know that? So that one word can mean all these different things, and you can kind of figure out what it means by the sentence it's in. Now these are cool because in each of those meanings, the word yoke is spelled the same. But Junior said a different yoke a minute ago. What did you say?
Chicken yolk.
Yeah.
An egg yolk.
But look how that word is spelled. it's spelled differently. So that's called a homophone when you have words that sound exactly the same, yolk, yoke, but they are spelled different and they mean completely different things, right? This is the one I think about a lot, the egg yolk, right? Yeah. So that's one of our words. It's just a simple little word, but it can mean a whole bunch of different things, okay? So now I would like you to get back into your computers, get your stylus out, and we're gonna code. Let's have everyone code 5 words. You can pick whichever 5 words you want. And when you have coded 5 words, send them to me, okay? Is it working for you? Okay, good. Remember to look for those teams. If you see a word with a team, go ahead and smile it. You guys are working hard. Got it? All right, let's take a look. We'll just take a quick look at everybody's. Here's Janae's. She did a whole row. She did row 4. Let's go to London. Okay, would you read one of those that you did?
Home or
Oh.
O consonant E O home.
That was so good, London. Brian, which one would you like to do?
O consonant E O yoke.
You did yoke, our good word that we looked at. Very nice.